No room for small fry in fishing league worldwide. Bass fishers must follow the rules when they participate in the Walmart FLW tour. For one thing, they can only fish in certain areas of the river or lake. A competition usually lasts 3 or 4 days. They must also start and finish at the correct time. Each evening, the fishers weigh the bass they caught that day. They get 1 point for every pound of fish they catch. However, they are only allowed to catch 5 fish per day. If they have too many fish, they will lose points. They must also keep their fish alive. That's because dead fish count as less weight. What's more, their fish must be at least 12 inches long. If any fish are under this limit, they will lose points. There are bucket loads of other rules as well, including rules about boats, gear, and even clothing. With the biggest prize in professional fishing at stake, FLW must make sure that everyone is playing fair.
Vocabulary.
Participate. All the students in the class have to participate in the end-of-year show. Weigh. Tony weighed himself and knew that he should start going to the gym. Limit. There is no limit to the number of times you can enter the water park in a year with this special pass. Including. Allison received many gifts on her birthday, including a new bike and several books. Clothing. My mom always gives our old clothing away to poor people.